Hello, this is Molly, and today's lesson is for the partial alphabetic learners. So, this is going to be using the explicit method I do, we do, you do for knowing the difference between capital letters and lowercase letters and what they look like. This is just the introduction. So, this is going to be done by me explaining that there's two different ways to write a letter, capital letters or lowercase letters. And I'm going to be showing them what they look like, and then together we're going to start the activity, matching capital letter magnets to lowercase letter paper. And then they will finish this activity on their own. One thing that I'm going to reinforce in the we do and I do stage is them pronouncing and sounding out their letter sounds while they are matching, and reminding them that there is maybe different sounds that we can use, and then also some of our letters look a lot similar and then some of them are different. So this activity will help partial alphabetic learners understand that there's two ways to write the same letter and which way might be appropriate for them when they learn one day, like sentences and how to write sentences. This activity is great for tactile learners and visual learners. I would say it's more focused towards those types of learners rather than auditory, just because this is matching, but they do sound out and use their memory for letter sounds, so that is a thing. So now we will begin. Okay, so today, class, we are talking about our letters and how we have capital letters and we have lowercase letters. So we have 24 letters in our alphabet, right? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. We know how the alphabet goes, hopefully. When we write these letters, guess what? There is two different ways to write a letter. We have uppercase letters, which we use when we're talking about names or places, or when we start a new sentence, or when we're reading a sentence out of a story. Our first letter always starts with an uppercase letter, and then lowercase letters are always the letters that follow after that. They're always the letters that we use the most. So I'm going to show you what would those look like and how we write our alphabet in uppercase and lowercase letters. So today we are going to talk about, we're going to start with these, okay? So this is an uppercase A, right? What sound does A make? Good job, good job. And then this is what a lowercase a looks like. So they're the same letter, they mean the same thing, we just write them differently, right? So this is an uppercase B, and then this is a lowercase b. Do we kind of notice that our uppercase letters are bigger than our lowercase letters? So upper, they're gonna be bigger, lowercase, right? We can kind of notice that in some of them. So we are going to be doing a little activity with matching magnets. So we have our sheet of lowercase letters, right? So what letter is that? B. Good job. That's a B. What sound does B make? Yes, good job. So you guys are going to have a sheet that I'm going to give you that has a picture of lowercase letters and our picture of uppercase letters, right? And you guys are going to use that and use your memories, remember what they look like, and you're going to match You're gonna find the uppercase letters in here. You're gonna see what they look like from your sheet, and you're gonna match it to which one you need to find, which same letter you need to find. So our first one is a lowercase b. We said, oh, I dropped my paper. We said that this is what a lowercase b looks like, right? So, and then this is what the uppercase b looks like. So we need to find in our magnets the uppercase b. So we're gonna look in our magnet box. We're gonna find, oh, found it. There's our b, right? And then we're gonna stick our b on our lowercase b, right? Now we're gonna go to our next one. This next one is what? A V. What sound does a V make? Yes. So a V, an uppercase V, looks like this. Does that kind of look like the lowercase v? It does, doesn't it? So sometimes we have our uppercase and lowercase letters, they kind of look really, really similar. The only difference is that one is smaller. So you have to pay extra attention to that. So we're gonna find our uppercase V in here, and it should look a lot similar to your lowercase v, right? But you guys can use your sheets to remember and double check yourself and make sure, oh, is that the right one? Is that what matches? Yes. So, which one is that? What letter is that? F. Good job. Good job. And go ahead and say this letter F's sound for me. Good job. Okay. So, that is what a lowercase f looks like. Go ahead and look at your sheets. What does a uppercase f look like? Has anyone found it? Can you point to it on your sheet? Good job. Okay, so I'm gonna look for the lowercase f. You guys look like you found it. Is that what everyone got? Yeah, good job, guys. Okay, so you guys are all going to get a magnet box and a lowercase sheet, and you guys are going to use your sheets, your alphabet sheets, your lower and uppercase alphabet sheets to look at and see if you can match them correctly, okay? And then I'm going to be walking around and making sure that you guys are saying your sounds when you're matching, and to just make sure that we're matching the right ones, okay? Okay. Thank you.